Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do a very cool review for a very cool model from the Nissan. It's the R89C Le Mans car. It's a test car of the Paul Ricard's 1988. So let's open this and have a close look, right? Because this is what we do. This is what we do. We open these cars. Do you like to see this? There's not much in this. Okay, let's pull the car. Enough of blah blah. There's a blister piece inside this as well. Why? I'll tell you why. Just wait for it. Look at this car. It says Nissan R89C. That's the name of the car, the complete name. Let's unscrew this. And actually I have to do that off camera because there are some small antennas here. I don't want to break anything. These are quite fragile. So give me a moment. Let me unscrew this and I'll put it on the turntable and we will review it together. Trust me guys, unscrewing this car from the base was quite a task. So this was the reason of this, and let's have a closer look on this car. I'm sorry, for a second I was like totally, it is beyond words. This car is beyond words. Just look how well they have created this. It has all the unique, simple, yet so stylish features in this. It does say Nissan on it because it was a test car, so it was in black. It does have 5-spoke rims and we have the Dunlop logo on that. In the front we have the hook, and on the top we have those two antennas, and if you can see closely, the rear views have actually silver trim in them. The front lights are amazing, the rear lights are amazing. I don't know what else a company can do to make a model like that. And on the top of it, what they did is make this hood uneven. With this look at that engine details. Those are some really cool engine details. Look at those exhausts. Oh my god, oh my god. This is amazing. This is just amazing, amazing. I really love these kind of cars, these kind of castings. I just love. I don't know what else to say, but this is going to be one of my favorites. Let's put this back. I think I'm not doing it right. Yes, let's just let this go. Wow, it just snaps like awesome. So this was your Nissan, guys, and I really like this cool feature of the car. Actually, these there is actually a magnet here in this. You've already seen this car without the hood, but actually there are two magnets here. See, one is here, one is here. So what happens when you put it like this? It just snaps. So it's not going to come out until you actually pull it out. Really cool, right? Let me know, guys, what you guys think about this car, this casting, and this really cool and amazing mechanism that they put in this car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.